Good morning, everyone. It's your girl Cassandra back with another video. In this video, I'm doing a client that I actually met yesterday on Saturday, and she super down to earth, and I asked could I record her because she had a gorgeous curl pattern, and we just had an awesome vibe. So shout out to you, Nicole, for letting me record you, babe. She was super amazing. So as always, I'm just going in, blow drying her hair. I do this in all my videos. I show the products I use on my videos, but if you're not sure, just see one of my previous silk press videos, and I will also tag everything in the description box down below. But I'm just blow drying her out, and I'm spraying in some Influence S3 spray after I already put in, you know, the Paul Mitchell, and I'm just going in and pressing her hair out. I am going to show this whole process, guys, but it's going to be super sped up just because this video, before I edited, was about an hour long. And I just, you know, I don't like long videos. Y'all know how I feel about long videos. So it's going to be super sped up. But we pressed this client out. She was actually talking about getting her hair cut. She was saying that she's never had a short cut before. So it was super dope that she let me do her first haircut. So yeah, we're going to press her out just so everything can be super even. But we actually are going to go in and cut her hair. So I'm just speeding through this process so you guys can pretty much see what I'm doing. And if you have any questions, just, you know, feel free to DM me, message me down below, or comment. But I'm going to speed this part up, but I know some of you guys want to see how I press start to finish. So here you have it. It's going to be sped up, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going in with my Russ CTC flat iron, and I'm just pressing all of her hair out. Okay, so now that she's all pressed out, I did put her in the mirror and asked her to show me exactly where she wanted her hair parted. And we were just sitting here discussing her haircut, and I'm sitting here like, I was really stuck because I'm like, your hair's gorgeous. I don't know, we should cut it or not. But she was just like, you know what? I came here for a cut, let's do it. So this is just us sitting here talking about that, and I'm getting my shears and I'm getting ready to go in. This part is gonna be sped up also. But I'm just going to show you guys how I cut her hair to the best of my ability. I am sorry that my shoulder was in the way for like 4 seconds of this, but you guys pretty much get the gist. So what I like to do is just go in with my shears first and create my guideline. It doesn't have to be super perfect, but just try to get it as perfect as possible to create your shape. And then after I go in with my shears, I like to just take smaller sections, making sure everything is nice and precise. I do like to go in and blunt cut first, and then I like to point cut just to add a little bit of I don't even know what I'm trying to describe right now, but I just like the point cut basically to give her hair some personality so it's not just so blunt on the ends. And then I will also go in with the clippers and just make sure that everything is nice and even. And don't feel awkward. If you have to move your client's head left to right, tell them to look down, look back, do whatever needs to be done. Just make sure when you're cutting a bob or any hairstyle that you're not uncomfortable or like hunched over or in any uncomfortable position. So yeah, I'm just doing my thing, guys, showing you guys this cut start to finish, and I will come back when we get to the styling part. Another quick side note before I forget is when you're cutting hair, you just want to make sure that you take your time and you're not rushing. So this cut altogether, I think, took me 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, something like that, which is super long for me because I can generally do a haircut in less than 5 minutes. But yeah, you just want to make sure you're taking your time and everything looks nice and even. And here I am just going in with my Russ CTC flat iron, and I'm just bumping the ends of her hair. I did put some edge control in it, and I'm just showing you guys a couple different ways to style it. She did not want to see her hair until the end, so this is when she first saw it. She trusted me to cut her hair without even looking. So now she's in the mirror just feeling it. I'm just showing you guys how it looks. She was feeling herself. I was feeling this look. I was super excited that she trusted me with her hair to cut it. So here I am just getting my little thumbnail for Instagram. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much the whole haircut. So if you like this video, comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Sunday. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.